Welcome to the lesson on installing MySQL, an essential step in your journey to developing applications with Python and MySQL. MySQL is a powerful relational database management system that will allow you to store, retrieve, and manipulate data effectively. In this lesson, we will guide you through the installation process on various operating systems, ensuring that you're ready to start building your database applications. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now we're on understanding MySQL. MySQL is an open-source relational database management system, RDBMS, that uses structured query language, SQL, for accessing and managing the data. It's widely used in web applications and is known for its reliability, performance, and ease of use. Before we dive into the installation, let's clarify a few key terms. First, database, a structured set of data held in a computer. Also, SQL, a standard language for managing and manipulating databases. Finally, DBMS, database management system, software that interacts with end users and applications to capture and analyze data. Now, installing MySQL on Windows. To install MySQL on Windows, follow these steps. Let's walk through the main points. First, visit the MySQL Community Downloads page. Next, select the MySQL installer for Windows and download it. Then, run the downloaded installer. You will be presented with options to choose the installation type. Select Developer Default for a comprehensive installation. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Let's move on to installing MySQL on macOS. To install MySQL on macOS, follow these steps. First, download the MySQL Community Server from the MySQL Community Downloads page. Next, open the downloaded.dmg file and follow the instructions to install MySQL. Then, once installed, open the terminal and start the MySQL server using the following command. Finally, you will need to set the root password during the installation process. Make sure to remember this password. This section covers installing MySQL on Linux. To install MySQL on a Linux distribution, e.g., Ubuntu, follow these steps. First, open the terminal. Next, update your package index. Then, install the MySQL server package. Then, after installation, run the security script to secure your MySQL installation. Finally, during the process, you will set a root password and have options to remove test databases and disallow remote root login. Verifying the installation, let's dig in. After installing MySQL, it's important to verify that the installation was successful. You can do this by accessing the MySQL command line interface. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Enter the root password you set during installation. If you see the MySQL prompt, your installation is successful. You can now start creating databases and tables. In this lesson, we covered how to install MySQL on different operating systems: Windows, macOS, and Linux. We went through the installation steps and how to verify that your installation was successful. You're now ready to move on to using MySQL in your Python applications. Now put what you've learned into practice. First, install MySQL on your operating system of choice. Also, set a root password and ensure you remember it. Also, open the MySQL command line interface and verify your installation by logging in. Also, create a simple database using the command create database test_db. Finally, list all databases to confirm your new database was created. Show databases.